8 English medium student, subject maths, chapter 2nd, linear equation in one variable. Namaskar, Suhas Patel. Now, exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. In last lecture, in 2.4, question 1, 2, 3 finish. Now start question number 4. First I read the question. One of the two digit of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. It means first, let unit digit be x. Okay. Now second condition given 3 times. It means 10 digit. Here 10 digit be given 3 times. So 3x. 3 times means 3x. Now in second line in the question, if you interchange the number, first you are given interchange the number. What taken first? Original number tens multiply with the 10 and unit digit add here. Tens means multiply with the 10 and unit digit be same, only for addition. 10 3s are 30. X plus x, so 31x. Okay. Now the second line, if you interchange the digit, it means interchange the digit Integer digit means here unit digit 3x, change here, and 10 digit x. So new number change here. So what happen? Here change. So unit digit 3x, 10 digit x. So 10 digit multiply with the 10 and unit digit addition. So 10x plus 3, so 13x. Now read the question in second line. If you interchange the digit of the two-digit number and added the result number to the original number, you get 88. Okay. It means here given interchanging the number and original number both added means addition, we get 88. So 31x plus 13x is equal to 88. Addition 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 1 1 4, 44 into 88x. X is equal to 88 upon 44. 44 2s are, so x is equal to 2. Now in the last, what is the original number? We want to find original number. Answer: original numbers here given 31x. So 31x value here 2. Put here 2 into 2, 2 3 is 62. This is the answer. Okay. Now this is the question number 4. Now question number 5. I read here. Saroj's mother's present age is 6 times Saroj's present age. Here two characters given, Saroj and Saroj's mother. So we suppose here, obviously we also the daughter be also small. So we suppose daughter. Question number 5. Saroj's present age. Let Saroj present age be X years. Now Saroj mother age is 6 times here given, 6 times. So Saroj mother's age 6x year. Okay, because Saroj is X, so 6 times of mother be older than Saroj. Second line, Saroj age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his present age. Saroj is 5 years. After 5 years. After 5 years, age of Saroj age will be X plus 5 years. Why is it plus 5? Suppose Ram age is, suppose we take in example 5 years. And after 5 years, 5 plus 5, so total 10 years. If given the after 5 years, so plus. If given the ago, so minus. Ago, so 0 years, not born. Okay. Now here in the question, Saroj is 5 years from now will 1/3 of his mother present age. 5 years. Saroj after 5 years age X plus 5 is equal to 1/3. It means 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3. 1/4, so 1/4. Here 1/3, so 1/3. And mother is 6x. This given. Okay. So what we find here, what is their present age? दोनों की present age ढूंढनी है. So first we are cutting 3 2s are 6. X plus 5 is equal to 2x. Now going this side, plus going this side, so minus 5 is equal to 2x minus x. So 2 minus 1, so x is equal to 5. This is the answer. But in the last, find out what are their present age. Answer, the present age of Saroj be X. X means here 5 years. Okay. And same to same, present age of mother. Here 6x. So 6 into 5, 6 5s are 30 years. Okay. This is the question number 5. Okay. So carefully understanding this. This is the 2.4, question number 4. This type for suppose, and question number 5 also suppose and write down. So very easy method. But understanding in Saroj, because Saroj given only for 5 years ago and 5 years after. After means plus, ago means minus. And present age is mother age. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं, मदर एज को भी 5 टाइम ले लेते हैं. इन द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट गिवन, सो प्रॉपरली टेकन. ओके. नाउ वी स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. फर्स्ट आई रीड द क्वेश्चन after I solve. There is a narrow rectangular plot. Okay. It is rectangular plot given here. Question number 5. First word given here, 6 number. Rectangular. It means this type. Length is the broad of the breadth. This is the length, this breadth. Okay. Now, received from a school, Mahuli village, the length and breadth of the plot are ratio B11:4. First length after breadth. Let length be here 11, so 11x. And second given here breadth, so breadth 11:4, so 4x. Okay, this is 11x, this is 4x, this is given. Now at the rate of ₹100 per meter, it will be cost of village of Panchayat ₹75,000 to the fencing. Here fencing means perimeter. Here this is, we want to find the fencing here. Okay, fencing means perimeter. We taken perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, formula 2l plus b. 2 length here 11x, breadth here 4x. Addition 11 plus 4, 15 x. 15 to the 30x. This is the fencing perimeter of rectangle, is fencing of the rectangle plot. Now given here per meter, 1 meter ₹100. Here 30 meter, 30x meter given. So first find out cost. Cost of per meter. So 1 meter is ₹100 given, and total our 30x, x value we want to find. So multiply, so 3000x. This is the total cost of this rupees. Total cost of ₹3,000x rupees. And also here given, here Panchayat given 75,000. What compare? Because both are same. So compare here. So 3000x is equal to total here given value 75,000. Now this multiply going this side, so divide 75,000 upon 3,000, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 25. 25 3s are 75. So answer, what is the, we find out in the question here, what are the dimensions of the plot? We want to find dimension. It means length and breadth. So length be 11x, so 11 into 25. So this 11 into 25 is easy for the Vedic maths. Now I explain. देखो ये without multiply we getting the answer. How? Only for 11. कैसे करना है? देखो. First 5. After 5 plus 2, so 7 and 2. This is answer. Again I repeat, if 11 multiply any digit, this method be Vedic maths. Our saint given this. जो बहुत सारे अपने ऋषि मुनि थे उन्होंने फाइंड किया है. पहले 5 लिख दो, 5 plus 2 यानी 7 and 2 का 2. This answer without multiply. And second we find breadth. Here 4x. 4 into 25, we know 25 4 is 100. Okay, this is the answer of question number 6. But in the digit necessary, if you are not write the digits, so half marks be cut because you are given per meter. Per meter. So write down small meter, small meter. Okay. Now question number 7. We start here. First I read the question. Question number 7. Hassan buys two kind of the clothes material for the school uniform. हसन बाय करने जाता है कुछ मटेरियल टू टाइप का. फर्स्ट शर्ट मटेरियल दैट कॉस्ट हीज ₹50 पर मीटर. देखो शर्ट के लिए उसने दिया है ₹50 पर मीटर. ओके, दिस गिवन. एंड ट्राउजर, इसमें चढ़ने के लिए, और ट्राउजर ट्राउजर का रुपीस दिया है ₹90. ओके, सेम टू सेम पर मीटर. ओके, नाउ फॉर एवरी 3 मीटर of the shirt material he buy 2 meter of the trouser. 3 meter for shirt and 2 meter for trouser. Okay, this given. And second thing, he sell the material is 12% profit and 10% profit respectively. It means your profit given here. You are given 12% profit. Here given 10% profit respectively. It means first shirt after trouser. Total cost selling rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? Okay, so first here length of the trouser. First here trouser 2 meter and shirt is 3 meter. So suppose let length of shirt 3x meter and same to same length of trouser 2x meter. Okay, second thing what given here cost be given also. So we want to cost of first shirt 50 rupees, so 30 into 50. So we get here 3 5s are 15, so rupees 150x. Okay, same to same cost of trouser be what given here 2x and cost be 90. So rupees 9 to 80, 180x. Third thing here what given here percentage profit 10% profit. Here shirt profit is 12% and shirt profit trouser profit 10%. So profit here 12% means I explain here 100 rupees given 12, it means total 100 plus 12, so total 112, 100 plus 12. So total, if given 100 rupees, so profit 112. Here 10%, so 100 plus 10, so 110 profit. Because percent is given here, so and profit, so profit be also addition here. So profit first taken here shirt. So what given here 112 by 100x. Why x here? Because cost is not given perfectly how many meters, so we find out here length. So profit 12%, so 112 by 100 plus 12, so 112, and percentage, so divided by 100, and x value is not given, so x to x. Okay, second things here what given here total cost of the shirt So length here, shirt 1 meter, but total how many given here rupees? Rupees is given for the shirt 150 x. Okay, so 150 x is given here. Okay, so what happened? We taken simplify here. X any one time. Suppose you remove this, this also x here given, so only for one time x taken. 0 0 cut. Now cut here. Here 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 2 taken, 2 5s are 10, 1 remaining, 2 6s are 12. Multiply, here x also given, 3 6s are 18, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 1 16. This is the profit of 1668. This is the rupees. This rupees. Same to same we find the profit of trouser. Trouser here 10%. So 10% means 110 and total 100. Okay. And also trouser rupees 180 x. Okay. First profit, so 10 multiply, 10 add, so 100 plus 10, so 110, and percentage, so divide by 100, and here cost of trouser be 180. Now cut here 0 0 0 0, so 11 into 18x. This is the given in a Vedic maths. So Vedic maths what given? Addition, first 8 8 plus 1 9, 1 and 1. This is rupees. Now total rupees is given here. How many total rupees given? 36,600 this given. Okay, so both addition first. First 168x plus 198x is equal to 36,600. Why? Because this is the cost of shirt 168x. This is a cost of trouser 190x. In total given 36,600. Now addition here first x same. 8 plus 8 16. 1 carry. 6 9. 6 plus 1 7. 9 plus 7 16. 1 carry. 1 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. And 366 is equal to 36,600. This multiply going this side, divide 36,600 upon 366. This cut, panza 20, add. So x value 100. Now in the question, last point, how much trouser material did he buy? Only for trouser material. Here trouser material here given. 180x given. So only for add here. Answer trouser value. What we taken only for multiply. So what happened here given? Trouser here we saw here first. Length of the trouser here given 2x. So 2x value 100. 2 into 100. So 200 meter. Because length of here find not cost, length of the material he buy. So length is 200. Okay. So all the student, this is question number 6 and question number 7. Properly show on the blackboard. Very carefully. I read the question 2 times. Understanding one point, because I understanding one line and explain all the points. Okay. Namaskar by Suhas Patel.